Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Mike. I'm back with another video. Me doing an Evo. This will be a pretty quick video. Just gonna show you something I bored one night, and I'm gonna just do a quick little paint job on something on the car. So I'll give you a shot here. Over time, the wiper arms, they lose some of their paint that's on them. You know, down here and up in here. Same thing on the other one. It's just up here though. So I'm gonna take those arms off of the car, scuff them up and paint them. It's not really a lot to it. I've already exposed the bolt on this one. This one is the same. So if you have a car like mine and need to get access to that bolt, you just pull from the back, and it's just a little clip like this. So it goes in and then it pushes down. And the bolt is a 14. Which I set somewhere. So I can get this one with the hood down. To get this one, I need the hood up. So I'm gonna pull both of those off, and I'll cut back to after they're off the car. There's nothing really crazy about that. You'll just unscrew those, and it'll just require a little wiggling, and it'll pop off. All right, so I got them over here in the garage sink. I get it. My sink's pretty gross. It's a garage sink. I'm gonna do some degreasing on these first. Scrub them up pretty good. Try to get all this, you know, road grime and crap off of it. Then I'll dry them off and hit them with some sandpaper and get them prepped for paint. I'm just using just a little bit of a wire brush, and I'm gonna use this super clean spray. So I'll do this. It's hard to film. It's just me right now, but I'm gonna clean these up, and then I'll start sanding. I'll show you what I'm using for that, and then how I paint. I'm waiting a day after I washed them, got all the grit and grime and grease crap off of them. I got one hanging up. I already sanded it. I just need to wipe it down with alcohol before I paint. I'm gonna spare you having to watch me sand a ton of this, but I'm just using just a sanding brick. Really, I'm not trying to take the paint off. Just trying to scuff it up. I'm gonna have to do a little extra work here on this spot just because it's corroded. Other than that, there's not a lot to it. I'm gonna do a two-step paint. I'm using a Rust-Oleum primer, and then a high performance enamel black paint when I go to paint them. And I have them just hanging up behind me, but I'll do a little bit of sanding here for you, show you what I'm doing. And then I'll set the camera up so you can see the painting process. Like what I was noticing when I was doing the other one, there was a different sound in the sanding when I got it down far enough. It sounded kind of gritty initially, and I know I had gotten it good. Alright, I'm back. Got the can all shook up. Usually do a quick pass here. It may be hard to see in here. I had to set the GoPro up on a chair, but there's an arm here, an arm here. Wiped them down with alcohol. I'm gonna do 2 light coats with this primer, and then I'll go to the gloss, probably 2 on that, depending on how it looks. All right, I'm gonna let that sit for about 10 or 15 minutes or so, and go from there. But let's see if I can get in closer. See, as you can see, they're already looking better. But I'll cut back to this, I guess, when I'm done. There's no sense. You saw how I painted. There's gonna be no difference in how I paint the rest of the way. But just this little bit of upgrade will make a big difference on your car. So I will cut back one more time and show you when I put them back on the car. All right, I got these wipers back on. overall they turned out pretty good. I should have done a little bit better sanding here. I will get back to that later in the future, but overall they look a lot better without the exposed metal. Like, I didn't do the back, so this is going to be the next one. This is what they looked like exposed here, and that's just faded. That's a plastic cap. So yeah, it's just one of those things. I was bored one night and just decided to paint some random stuff on the car. Well, thanks for watching my video. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning viewer, thank you for your support. I appreciate it, and let me know if there's anything you want to see in the future. Thank you.